If you want flowers for your garden that last 3 or 4 months from June until October, go sunflowers. You bring birds to your garden, and the first things you see on them, don't touch them, there are bees on them. They're very attractive to insects, especially bees, bumblebees, honeybees, and very attractive to birds and bird food. That's a sunflower that finished quite a while back. There's hardly a seed left in there. The goldfinches have come and taken them all out. Some have fallen to the ground. Most of these sunflowers, by the way, are volunteers. And they get very tall, in fact. Look at these sunflowers. And these are the double ones. See them right here? The double sunflowers. And then you get pretty ones. You have multicolored ones. You know, they're easy to grow. Just buy some packets of different seeds and plant them as soon as the ground warms up in early May, and up they come. You don't have to go to the store to buy them. You've got all the cut flowers you can handle. They're big, they're different. You can get dwarf ones, medium ones, large ones, single ones, yellow ones, brown ones, double ones. A long flowering season. So I would nominate the sunflowers as the #1 flower for gardens.